Yeah, I'm getting on really well.
Yeah. Wait, is the bunny on the table?
No?
No? Oh my goodness, you have to be careful with the
I
bunny
am.
here.
I think he wants some of the water, that's why he's coming close. But
you have to be careful with the bunny.
I am super careful. You know me,
Okay.
I have excellent aim. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Alright, I trust you.
It's a bit blunt though, like I feel like
Maybe
I
you need to sharpen it a
need to
little
sharpen
bit.
it.
Do you need me to bring over some more of the fruit for the fruit salad?
No, I'm okay, thank you. I think we'll just wait for a minute. Maybe you could bring some of that fruit salad over.
You need some of the fruit?
Yeah.
Alright, how about some bananas?
Bananas.
Ooh.
My favourite.
What about some watermelon? You want some watermelon?
Yeah.
Alright.
But this
Ooh,
coconut
that's
is
so good.
is such a problem.
Babe, be careful with the bunny right there.
It's fine. I told you my aim is incredible.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
Here we go. Do you want the apples too? Or do you
Uh,
have enough fruit?
no, I think we got enough fruit now.
Okay.
Enough fruit. Maybe
Babe, be careful.
it's fine. It's fine.
You're having so much trouble with that coconut. You make me nervous.
I know. Do you know what? I don't know how they do it. I thought I could do it, but I'm really struggling here. Just make a mark. Oh, that was a good hit. Maybe you could actually bring them apples over.
Do you want some of the apples?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's use some apples over here. Oh my god!
Oh,
Oh my god, the bunny! Baby, I told you to be careful! Oh my
Take
god!
it to the hospital. Take it to the hospital.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm so nervous!
Here's our baby right here.
Oh my goodness. You're such a jokester.
I know, I'm always